Hello everyone, my name is Christy Harrison and I wanted to upload another video for you to show you how to use Google Apps in Google Classrooms. In the previous video I showed you how to upload assignments, questions, and quizzes into your Google Classrooms. And just a kind of brief overview, remember your class code will be displayed. You will see the classwork that your students have submitted to each assignment once you click on the assignment. So here you'll have where students have signed up, which ones have turned it in and which ones have not. You can also go through and grade it, and then you can select and return it back to them. On their assignments, you can add comments. So if you want them for future references to change something or do something or maybe say good job, you can add the comments into their assignments. You can also see which people have joined your classes in this area, and then once again you also have your class code. But for students to actually upload assignments using different apps, they'll go to their apps in their Google account and they will click on the apps that pops up. So if an app is not displayed, again you can scroll down to the bottom, you can click more, and then of course they can upload it from there. So let's say that you want them to write a paper, so they might click on Google Docs and pull up the Google Docs for them. And of course they'll type in it. And one thing that's great about all the Google apps is that everything is automatically saved. So you don't have to worry about carrying a flash drive, from computer to computer, or if you forget your flash drive, it's all under your Google account. All you have to log in is just log in. So it doesn't matter which computer that you use. And that's one feature that I really like about Google, is that I don't have to keep up with the flash drive, and I don't have to worry about always using the same computer. I can do it from anywhere. So let's say I wanted them to do an essay. And let's say that I've already created the assignment and so forth. So I'll just kind of demonstrate from a student's perspective. I couldn't join the class because I created the class, so it wouldn't let me join it as a student. But they can title their document, and let's just keep it as Bill of Rights, essay, and they can add their name. And then as you see here where it says saving, and it says all changes saved in Drive. So whatever they type, it just automatically updates. You have this star, so let's say you don't want to have to search for it, and I'll show you where to find things in your Google Drive. But let's say you don't want to have to search for your documents. Maybe you have some key important ones that you want to use. And this is for the students as well. All you have to do is just start. So here they can just type, and it just automatically saves as they're typing in this document. So once they finish, my computer's being a little slow. And then once they finish, they can go back to the assignment in Google Classrooms. Now, once again, this is from the teacher's perspective, but this will be kind of highlighted for the students. And so what they'll do, they'll just click on it, and it is say to upload, and then they just upload from their Google Drive, and then they submit it. So their Google Drive will look something similar to this. And it just kind of displays everything that they've been working on. If you start, then it's going to pop up right here, so it's just easy access. And that's just one of the features that Google offers. They also have, Google Sheets. That's kind of like the Microsoft Excel. They have Google Slides, which is where you would have kind of like how your Microsoft PowerPoint is. But once again, one of the great features is that you can share it with anybody. You can just get a shareable link. So like this is my PowerPoint. So if I wanted to share it, I could share it to somebody in particular and just add in their email address. I can change whether they want to edit, comment, or view. Or I can just get a link that everybody can look at, and once again, whether they can just view it or edit. So Google Classrooms and Google Suites in general, or Google Apps, is pretty unique as it offers a variety and it's just easy to implement into your lessons and also easy to use beyond the classroom. So hopefully this kind of gives you a little bit more demonstration as far as how students can upload an actual assignment from their Google Drive, maybe using Google Docs or Google Slides, into this assignment and whatever assignment you've created. And then once again, to show an overview, you'll see on the left-hand side you have upcoming assignments that are going to be in the future. So you can also reuse assignments and so forth. So I just wanted to kind of do another video to show you how you would upload, maybe a document or maybe a PowerPoint from Google into your Google Classroom. And so once again, this would be something that your students can do, or you can also put this into your actual classroom, your Google Classroom, for them to look at and view and to kind of guide them on the assignments. So if you have any questions, just please let me know. Thank you.